Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up two-factor authentication on KuCoin. To begin, ensure you have the Google Authenticator app downloaded on your mobile device. This app will generate the time-sensitive codes needed to secure your account. Two-factor authentication adds a vital layer of protection, making your KuCoin account significantly more secure against unauthorized access. This is crucial for safeguarding your digital assets. Before we proceed, make sure you have the Google Authenticator app installed on your smartphone. Next, open your KuCoin app or visit the website and log into your account. Once logged in, locate your profile icon, usually in the top right corner, and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Account Security to access your security settings. This is where you will initiate the 2FA setup process. Within the Account Security section, find Google Verification and click Set or Link. You may need to verify your email or phone first. KuCoin will then display a QR code and a secret key. Open your Google Authenticator app, tap the plus icon, and choose to scan the QR code. Alternatively, you can manually enter the secret key. The app will then generate a dynamic 6-digit code. Enter this code on KuCoin and click Activate. After activation, always verify that two-factor authentication is showing as enabled in your KuCoin security settings. Remember, the backup key is essential for regaining access if you lose your phone, so keep it extremely safe and offline. For more security tips and other great deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check the description below this video. Protecting your account with 2FA is a smart move for every KuCoin user.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.